stop signs when we're not moving.
Wrap it up.
We rev our engines. Why are we doing this? Why are we doing this? Even cops do it. Why are we doing this? The reason we're doing this is we're talking to you. And what we're saying to you, a toddler understands. Look at me. What if you don't look? What do? We crack it open louder. You're going to look. Even if it's just a side glance out from behind the wheel of your cool minivan, you're going to look. I promise you're going to. And something magical happens when we see you see us. We're talking human behavior here. When you look at me when I've got a motorcycle license for 46 years. I can't not do this at red lights and stop signs. I feed off of your validation and approval. As does everybody who rides a Harley, as does 100% of the human race that does it. Oh, Harley, when I see you look at me, guess what happens in my brain?
Dopamine.
Dopamine squirts. The pleasure drug. I'm experiencing, for a millisecond, a blush of delight. Let's monetize this and weaponize it. What do we, as a species, what do we do to any source of delight in our lives? And the answer is we return to it faithfully until it fails to delight us. What did I just do? I defined the term loyalty. We always return to that which delights us. No matter how you define what feels good, I'm going to keep on doing it. We thought people were loyal to our hardware, to our things, to what we do. That's what killed our business. The human species doesn't work that way. I'll get into some of that in a second.